Screenshot not working in Windows 11, fix Snipping Tool, print screen, and clipboard. If screenshots suddenly stop working in Windows 11, it can feel surprisingly frustrating. Yeah, especially when Windows plus Shift plus S does nothing, print screen stops responding, or your screenshots never appear in the clipboard. The good news is that most screenshot problems come from a small Windows setting, a snipping tool issue, or clipboard configuration problems. In this guide, we'll go step by step through the fastest fixes using only real Windows 11 settings and tools. We'll test the shortcuts, check snipping tool settings, repair the app if needed, and confirm clipboard history is working correctly. By the end, you should know exactly where the problem is coming from and how to fix it safely. 3 most common screenshot shortcuts in Windows 11: Windows plus Shift plus S, print screen. Alt plus print screen. Windows plus Shift plus S should open the snipping tool capture bar at the top of the screen. Print screen may either copy the full screen or open screen capture depending on your settings. Alt plus print screen captures only the active window. Testing all 3 helps identify whether the issue affects the keyboard shortcut itself, the snipping tool app, or clipboard behavior. If absolutely nothing happens when pressing these shortcuts, the problem is likely tied to settings or the snipping tool. And this first step helps narrow down the troubleshooting quickly before changing anything else. Go to Settings greater than Accessibility, greater than Keyboard. Look for the option called Use the print screen key to open screen capture. If this toggle is off, pressing print screen may not launch snipping tool at all. Turn it on and test the key again immediately. Many users accidentally disable this setting or never realize Windows treats print screen differently depending on configuration. Also remember that some keyboards require the FN key together with print screen. Laptop manufacturers sometimes map the key differently, which can confuse users when screenshots suddenly stop working after updates or keyboard changes. Next, open Snipping Tool manually from the Start menu. Search for Snipping Tool and launch the app directly instead of using shortcuts. Once it opens, click New and test whether you can capture part of the screen normally. If manual captures work, the issue is probably tied to keyboard shortcuts or clipboard behavior rather than the app itself. If Snipping Tool fails to open, freezes, or crashes, the app may need repair or updating. Depending on your Windows version, you may see settings related to automatic clipboard copying, multiple windows, saving behavior, or notifications after screenshots are captured. Make sure clipboard-related options are enabled if available. Sometimes screenshots are captured correctly but never appear because clipboard integration is disabled or malfunctioning. Also, verify that notifications are not completely blocked for Snipping Tool in Windows notification settings. If Snipping Tool still behaves incorrectly, repair or reset the app. Go to Settings greater than Apps, greater than Installed Apps, greater than Snipping Tool, greater than Advanced Option. First, select Repair and test the app again. If the issue continues, return and choose Reset. Repair attempts to fix corrupted files without deleting app data, while Reset restores the app to default behavior. This often fixes cases where Windows plus Shift plus S opens nothing, or where screenshots fail silently. Press Windows plus V. If clipboard history is disabled, turn it on. When working correctly, recent screenshots copied through. Sometimes users think screenshots failed when they were actually copied successfully, but never pasted anywhere. Clipboard history also helps confirm whether the capture process itself is functioning properly. If screenshots appear in clipboard history but not in apps, the issue may be with the destination app rather than Windows capture tool. This step is especially useful when screenshots disappear immediately after capture. Finally, update both Windows and Snipping Tool, open the Microsoft Store, Go to your library and check for updates to Snipping Tool and related apps. Then open Settings greater than Windows Update. Install any available updates and restart the PC afterward. Screenshot and clipboard bugs are often fixed through cumulative Windows updates or store app updates. If this guide helped fix your screenshot problem, make sure to like the video and subscribe to TechFix Guide for more fast Windows 11 troubleshooting tutorials.